بسم الله الرحمن الرحیم. زمار اسلام عزتمند مسلمانانو دا زما شاګرد دی، نوم یې حبیب الله دی. هغه کې تازانو ما کړی دا نوم په ور باندې ما کې خو دی. نو دی به ته د ربیع شریف د میاشتې مبارکې په انګلیش کې اوسو خبر وړاندې کی.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In the name of Almighty Allah, whose bounties are unbounded, whose benevolence is unlimited, who is the most merciful and kind. First of all, I am very thankful to Qari Habibullah Sahib, who gave me this opportunity to talk to you people about the month of Rabiul. As you know that the month of Rabiul is coming on us, I would like to say this thing that it is the most respectful and the most merciful month in the month of Islamic. We know that Ramadan al-Mubarak, Ramadan, it is a very beautiful month because Quran was revealed on Hazrat Muhammad on that month. But you know that in the month of Rabiul, our holy Prophet Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born. That's why it's my message to you, all of you, that must offer prayer. As our Prophet Muhammad sallam came to this world, so we are over here. Quran Majid came on this world, that is just because of our holy Prophet Muhammad sallam. So in this month, and this very beautiful, respectful month, all of you, it's my message to you guys that you should offer prayers and also pray for our holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Thank you very much.